Hello everybody! In today's video, I will show you how to add the footnote on your document in Microsoft Office Word. So after you open your Microsoft Office documents, all you have is to go to Insert ribbon. Um, excuse me, we should go to the References ribbon. Here you will find the footnotes section. So we can, you should select or make your cursor in the place where you want to insert the footnote. After that, we are just going to click on Insert Footnote. As you can see, here it takes us to the bottom page, so we can add the information that you want to link your text to it. You can add a link here or whatever you want. Let's do another one. We go, for example, here another footnote. As you can see, it insert second one. We can write whatever we want, and to scroll between the footnotes, all you have is going in references, and you will find that you can go to the next footnote. As you can see, it's already defined where we want to go. Also, it shows if you double click it, it will go directly to the footnote or the information that you added. And to go to the previous footnote, all you have is to click on previous. If we are here, you will click on previous, and as you can see, it returns back to the first one. Here we can go directly to the notes that we did without any problem. Also, you can uh, modify or update the location of your footnotes on your documents. For example, let's just make or click below text. So now all the footnotes will be below the text. Whenever I will write something, it will follow the text. Also, we can add other thing like the number of the format of the number or anything that you want to change on your footnote settings. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.